How to fix a payment hold when your request is declined or expires. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so on Airbnb, in today's video we are going to provide you with a very clear, calm and step-by-step guide so you can follow out this method for that. So we can start by opening up Airbnb. And the thing you need to understand is when you send a booking request, Airbnb places a temporary authorization, that is hold, on your payment method. So if the host declines or does not respond in time, the booking does not go through, but the hold may still show on your bank and credit card for the bit. So once you are logged in into your Airbnb account, you can go to the trips option, and from the trips section, you can select up your declined or expired request. You can just go and find it up. After that, once you find it up, what we can do is we can just go over and confirm the status shows declined or expired. And if it's declined or expired, then the Airbnb has already released the hold, but you can just go and find that option called decline and expire request and just go and tap on it, and that should probably do it. And if you have already added your payment method, usually your debit or your credit card, it usually takes 3 to 7 business days, and same goes for credit card as well, 3 to 5 business days. Some banks take up to 10 business days, but the timing depends on your bank, not Airbnb, so you can check it out. If your hold has not dropped after 10 business days, you can go to the help center. For that, go to your profile, and within your profile, look out for the help option. You can scroll down, look out for help, get help. And there you can directly contact the Airbnb help center. Select the option for contact us, something like that, and explain that your booking request was declined, expired, that your payment hold is still showing. Share screenshots if possible, and you can just go over and look out for contact us option and do so. And Airbnb can confirm the release and help escalate it with your bank if needed. And you can also book another place immediately even if the hold is still pending. The hold will not take into a charge for a declined or expired request. And that's it everybody. You can follow out this method for that in order to fix it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.